Hello Philippines, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we are back to our latest update. This is for today, Tuesday to Friday, April 22 to 25. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. And let's begin with our update. We are ongoing with this hot dry season right now. Still no sign of relief. But there might be some thunderstorms this weekend. The usual localized thunderstorms that could affect Bicol, Visayas, and Mindanao. So expect some showers and thunderstorms during the weekend. But the weather will still change, so we don't know if this will push through. But as we move into the month of May, we expect more increased activity of these thunderstorms and rain showers, and let's hope and pray that there will be no LPAs or tropical cyclone that could appear over the Pacific Ocean. But we expect that since May is the start of the typhoon season, tropical cyclones tend to increase during the month of May, about 1 or 2. Then it will continue to go up until we reach a peak of 6 to 7, entering the Philippine area of responsibility during the months of August, and sometimes September, and then it will start to go down again until December. So we expect that kind of situation since we are now on the neutral phase. La Nina has ended, but the effects of La Nina there will be some bits of rain showers and thunderstorms during the next 2 months when there is no tropical cyclone. And let's proceed. Here's the last graph set that we created yesterday, valid until Wednesday. So we have weak easterlies bringing some good and dry conditions across Bicol region, Eastern Visayas, and Mindanao, although there might be some showers and thunderstorms in some areas of Visayas and Mindanao. And over the area of northern, central, and southern Luzon, including Bicol, we are expecting dry conditions all throughout the week. We have the ridge of high pressure extending from here, going down here. So it's really this time of the year that we expect lower amounts of rainfall during the whole month of April. And for the fast animation, there you go. As we speak, there are some thunderstorms moving into Mindanao and Visayas at this time of the week. And here you go. There are some smaller thunderstorms observed here over Zamboanga Peninsula, west of Lanao. But here it's really dry. Deep blue skies, less clouds. So avoid going out during noontime because of increased heat index, which could reach up to 50s. Right now here in Naga, we are experiencing heat index of around 46 to 47 degrees. Now, as for the rain forecast so far, tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday, we expect isolated showers over Palawan, Mindanao, parts of northern Luzon. And until Friday, this will be the same situation. Friday afternoon over northern Luzon. These are isolated ones, It could come true or not. So this forecast remains at 50% probability. And on Saturday, we expect more thunderstorm activity over Mindanao and Eastern Visayas and parts of Ilocos region. Sunday, there might be lots of thunderstorms that could develop, affecting Bicol region, parts of southern Luzon, Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao. Okay, so that's the forecast until Sunday. We're not going to move ahead of time since the uncertainty remains high if we are more than 5 days. Now for the wind forecast, nothing to show you here for the next 5 days until Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Generally, more easterlies across the country. And generally, that's the weather condition for the next 5 days. It's certainly quiet at this time of the year. As for the wave forecast, there's nothing to show you here except for some good waves, especially the central and western waters of our country. Until Sunday, we expect wave heights over the East Philippine Sea around 1 to 1.5 meters, while over the West Philippine Sea, it will be 1 meter or below, while over the central waters of our country, those surrounding Visayas and Palawan, we will be having some calm to wave heights of just a half meter. So this is very good for fishing and sea activities, okay, or sea travel. So there you go, that's the latest. We will return this weekend for another update from Typhoon2000. This is Mike Padua saying have a great week. Drink lots of water. Avoid under the heat of the sun to prevent us of having some heat strokes. And take care always. Thank you so much for watching our channel.